Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how you can set up a PIN to limit access to an app. So we'll start by pressing and holding the settings button. This will bring up the main menu. From here we want to go to General, then Across, and we go down this list and keep going to System, then Across, and down this list to Safety. Once there, we go across again. And here we have Enable the function. So if we just tap here and we enter the default PIN or PIN that you may be using, the default PIN is 0000. Now, if you don't know the PIN or it doesn't accept what you think is a PIN, you can check my channel. I have a video showing you how to reset the password. Now the function is enabled, let's apply the lock. We go down the list to Application Locks, go across, and here we have our apps. Now I shall lock YouTube in this example, so I shall select it. And it says, lock changes for currently running apps will be applied the next time they are started. I'll click OK. And I'll click Home to come out of that menu. Now, as you can see, just there, the YouTube icon has a lock on it now. Let's start it. It's asking for a PIN. So this is working as expected. I'd enter the PIN and the app will open. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you have. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.